Hi. Water is very important, I realized just 3 years ago when I. Shut up! My dermatologist said that, oh, drink water. And I thought, how is water going to help me get rid of my pimples? So a few days ago, I shared a carousel post on my Instagram highlighting how the hashtag not for men is a massive hindrance to solving the issue of, safety of women and how it shouldn't be used by men to escape. In one of these slides, I mentioned how women know, I'll put it here or here, wherever.
Stupid.
How women know not all men are unsafe, but they don't know which men, right? In normal circumstance, I expect people who hold themselves against feminism, who don't like the concept of feminism, who have wrong ideas about feminism, to come and derail me in my DMs. We have a surprise. This one gentleman brought a very unexpected twist and approach to the story that I posted. A follower of mine shared my post on her story, and someone replied to her story saying this: there deeply exists a very, very prominent, in our society and across the world, actually, an exaggerated fear, hatred, and hostility towards Islam and Muslims that is perpetuated by negative stereotypes, resulting in bias, discrimination, and the marginalization, such a huge word, and exclusion of Muslims from social, political, and civic life. It's very prominent. We all know about it. The hate towards Islam fumes because people who hold a stereotype of such kind and aren't willing to let it change. While study shows that Islamophobia really existed and premised before the terrorist attacks here in India and elsewhere also, but it increased in frequency and notoriety during the past decade. In my opinion, if you first get rid of the fact that terrorism isn't bound to a religion, only then will you be able to go beyond that and be able to also develop a mind that accepts people from all walks of life. Unfortunately, we live in a time where any act of destruction is plainly, baselessly directed as an act done by Muslims, but we often turn a blind eye to the sheer slaughter that people from other communities, especially upper caste people, have also been putting up. It's vividly visible. It was vividly visible throughout the lockdown in the past 1.5 years. We've very, very prominently and evidently seen such cases. It was right there in front of us happening. So like I said, it's vividly visible for you to see the sham that it is, but you'll probably, and by you I mean the people who are doing this, who have a mentality of the same kind, that you'll probably turn away given the phobic thoughts you have. And do not use I have Muslim friends, how can I be Islamophobic? Do not use that card as an escape to carry out your bigotry. I hope that the world is more inclusive of people. Y'all are too smart, I think. This was stressful, I think. I need water. It's 2 a.m. and I need to sleep. I cannot be thinking about this anymore. So, ta-da.